Regional partners. A costly first order means the wrong mix, frozen working capital, and learning too late that local buyers need different machines. Before ordering direct, define reachable buyers, match machines to real applications, and budget beyond factory price. These 3 checks protect cash better than the lowest quote. Start with demand evidence. List industries you serve, operating hours, power, pressure, air demand, and whether buyers need a complete system or one machine. Separate confirmed opportunities from hopeful inquiries. A first batch should test clear local demand, not cover every possible customer. Next, control configuration risk. A lower purchase price does not help if voltage, frequency, cooling, treatment, equipment, controls, or installation conditions are wrong. Send the application details for remote technical review and confirm the exact scope before the order is finalized. Product selection, documents, certification, needs, commercial terms, and delivery timing must all be confirmed case by case. Then calculate the operating result, not only the buy-sell gap. Add freight, duties where applicable, inland, handling, financing time, warehouse space, customer acquisition, commissioning, warranty responsibility, after-sales labor, and routine spare parts planning. One configuration error can consume the apparent margin and slow inventory turnover. Keep the opening assortment disciplined. Prioritize models linked to identifiable buyers and service capability. Discuss routine spares and issue response responsibilities before shipment. Decide who will collect operating information, communicate technical questions, and support the customer after delivery. No arrangement should be treated as automatically exclusive or as promising preset commercial terms, sales volume, earnings, or a payback outcome. Every case requires individual evaluation. If you are evaluating a first direct order, send your country, business type, industry experience, current brands or products, target customers, and service capability. Use the contact details shown with this video, so the product range and cooperation fit can be reviewed before working capital is committed.